Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect new remote to TCL Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then navigate to remote and devices. Click on it, select remote and then add new remote. Inside you will see two pictures. There's one with the microphone pinhole underneath the power key and another one is on the left side. Choose whichever remote you have and then click on OK. After that you will need to flip your remote under so you can find the battery slot, open it, and inside there should be a button that you can press and hold for 5 seconds to enter a pairing mode. When you're in the pairing mode on your remote, it should appear on your screen and you'll be able to connect with that new remote. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.